Hi, hello everyone. For our presentations, we would like to discuss about saving the environment. Before we start our presentation slides, we would like to, I would like to introduce my group's member. My name is Roni Ngadan. My metric number is 71420. The second presenter is Kaizat bin Arwan. His metric number is 70079. The third presenter is Nick Muhammad Alif Atikullah bin Ahmad Hilmi. His metric number is 66955. The last presenter is Khairul Ihsan bin Abu. His metric number is 66366. In our discussions, there have three plans that we have chosen to solve the environmental problem. And this is the examples pictures for our first plans. It is replace disposal items with reusable items. For examples, cans, plastics, bottles, magazines, box, and the other things that we can reuse, reduce, and recycle. The second plan is support environmental friendly practice. For example, sharing ideas to take care of the environment. And second is mutual tolerance in maintaining peace by maintaining cleanliness. This is the pictures of the third plans that we have choose. The third plan is recycle the waste to conserve natural resources. For examples, provide a place to put bins separated according to the types of recycled waste such as cans, bottles, newspapers, plastics, papers, and food waste. I will pass these presentations to the next presenter. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Kaizat bin Arwan, matrix number 70079. I will explain three plans to solve the environment problems. First, replace disposal items with reusable items. The easiest thing to do is isolate the garbage. Place recyclable ingredients in one barrel and other garbage in another bin. After that, recyclable material will be distinguished by category. Use all ingredients. For example, can use mineral water bottle to store cooking waters. Second, support environmentally friendly practice. Practice recommended steps to preserve the environment. Follow the recycling programs often held annually. For example, Earth Day celebrations. Next, recycle waste to conserve natural resources. By using and processing reusable material or products, reduce the amount of energy needed for the extraction, transportation, and processing of natural materials. As energy needs decrease, can reduce the burning of fossil fuels decreases and the production and emissions of carbon dioxide gas into the atmosphere. The advantages of reuse of preserving resources and reducing the production of harmful waste. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nik Muhammad Alif Atqullah bin Ahmed Helmi. I will explain about saving environment, which is recycle. In order to recycle the waste to convert the natural resources, the best way is use the 3R method. 3R methods mean reduce, reuse, and recycle. This 3R is very important to save and solve the environmental problem. This is because it helps to cut down of amount of waste that people throw away. Reduce means to cut back on the amount of trash we generate. It means try to reduce the amount of waste product, as this is the best way to help the environment. Other example of reducing is reduce the amount of plastic created in the world by switching the reusable bag. If we go shopping, bring our own reusable bag instead of using the plastic bag from the market, shopping mall, or other place. This is because plastic bag does not decay quickly. They stay in environment longer, so it can be devastating to animal life or other environment. If cannot avoid reducing the waste, try to reuse. Reuse means to find new way to use things that otherwise would have been thrown out. It is to think the way to reuse something. Reuse is so important to help sustain the environment for the future generation. For the example, take a non-washable cup or travel mug instead of disposable item. This is because disposable item is non-degradable nature. Lastly, to solve the environmental problem is to recycle. Recycle is using trash to remake new good product that can be reused and sold again. For the example, recycling converts natural resources such as wood, water, mineral, and fossil fuel because material can be reused. The other example is recycling metal. Plastic and glass decreases resources depletion and reduce the ecosystem destruction of mining, drilling, and deforestation. As recycling can save the environment, it also saves energy. It also reduces greenhouse gas emission, which is help to tackle climate change. Thank you.
In our discussion, we have choose the third plan. In that plan, we need to use the 3R concept to save the environment from being polluted with garbage. Actually, three plans that we have talked from the beginning of this presentation was unrelated. First, we have to reuse things that have been used, like plastic bottles. We can use the plastic bottles to plant flowers or use it as an ornamental flowers to decorate our room as one of the creative craft. Second plan is we have to support each other in we strive for saving the environment. We have to give our support in engage an environmental protection campaign or communal work. The third plan, we have to hold a program that related with recycle and illuminates about 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is the best decision that we have discussed because because it is the easiest way for us to save our earth from being polluted. So, in this presentation, it can be our learning in recognizing the easiest way to keep the earth clean. Thank you.